James Webb Telescope has done it again. This time, it's uncovered something extraordinary in the Sombrero galaxy, a hidden star factory in a place where stars weren't supposed to be forming. Let's break it down and see why this discovery is turning heads in the astronomy world. The Sombrero galaxy, or Messier 104, has been a favorite for astronomers since it was first spotted in 1781. Its unique shape, resembling a broad-brimmed Mexican hat, has made it one of the most iconic galaxies in the night sky. From Earth, we see it on, showcasing a bright white core surrounded by dark, dusty rings. But this new view, it's nothing like the classic image. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope's mid-infrared instrument, MIRI, the Sombrero galaxy now appears as a cosmic bullseye. Its smooth inner disk contrasts sharply with the clumpy structures in its outer dust rings. And those clumps aren't just random dust, they're regions where new stars are forming. Here's the thing about the Sombrero galaxy, it's not a prolific star factory. While galaxies like the Cigar Galaxy, M82, pump out new stars at 10 times the rate of the Milky Way, the Sombrero galaxy barely produces half of what our own galaxy manages. That's less than one solar mass of new stars each year. So, finding young star-forming regions in the outer dust rings is a big deal. It's like discovering a hidden workshop where stars are quietly being born in a galaxy known for its low productivity. This gives scientists new insights into how star formation works, especially in galaxies that don't seem built for it. The Sombrero galaxy's transformation in mid-infrared light is another jaw-dropping aspect of this discovery. Visible light shows it as a dramatic, high-contrast galaxy with thick dust lanes. But in infrared, it takes on a more refined and elegant look, revealing hidden structures and details we could never see before. And it's not just the Sombrero galaxy stealing the show. Webb's image captures a dazzling backdrop of other galaxies scattered across space. Each one glows in unique colors that hint at their distances and properties. It's like looking into a cosmic treasure chest, each gem holding clues to the history of the universe. This image is just one of the many groundbreaking discoveries the James Webb Space Telescope has delivered since its launch in 2021. As the telescope approaches its fourth year of operations in 2025, demand for its time is at an all-time high. For the upcoming observation cycle, astronomers submitted 2,377 proposals, requesting nearly 78,000 hours of telescope time. That's 9 times more requests than the telescope can handle. Why such a frenzy? Because Webb isn't just showing us pretty pictures, it's answering some of the biggest questions in astronomy. From unraveling the mysteries of star formation to exploring the early universe, Webb is redefining how we see the cosmos. The Sombrero galaxy's hidden star factory is more than just a cool discovery. It's a reminder that even the most well-known parts of the universe can surprise us. With the James Webb Space Telescope leading the charge, who knows what other secrets are waiting to be uncovered? Stay tuned, this is only the beginning.